This is just very disappointing. I keep finding these everywhere. Yeah, and see, there's another one there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the roughness and the slightly concaved area. Might as well go looking for others. Makes sense to hunt them down now rather than later. That is definitely another one of them. And I can't get to that till after we pick up the boat. That's what that looks like. And I got this other one. That's really a very small spot. Both of them are right here. It's right there. All through there. The hull is smooth all along through here. Right up till there. And then it's kind of dented in and rough. And it comes up. And then it's pretty smooth the rest of the way along. But yeah, that is definitely a little hollow there. And very rough. And I'm sure that's another one of these half-baked patches. And yeah, there was one here that actually went around the bottom a bit. And I filled it with a bunch of layers of chopped strand. You know, tabbed it out a bit. And that's what I'll do here. You know, I'll grind back probably, since it's on the bottom, probably 8 inches. And grind down to bare glass. And put a bunch of chopped strand in here till it's more or less level. And then start putting each layer being like another inch or so bigger. And then the last layer, you know, an inch. And then the last layer should be 2 inches or so. Because that's what's really going to grip. That's the return. And I recognize it. It's the same woven cloth as the other repairs, almost like surfboard cloth. So I'm going to grind back a ways from it to give me room for tabbing. There, you can have a look at it with the dust cleaned off the lens. That's the old patch. And it probably would have been okay, but we're going to make it nicer. The biggest area of my repair. Alright. This will be all the tabbing, but a lot of this goes way up the side of the boat. So about in here will be my next biggest piece. And I'm tearing, not cutting, because I want the edges to be fluffy like this, so there won't be a real hard edge to my repair. It may blend in and be almost unnoticed. And in doing so will not affect the flow of water past the boat either, which would be good. So it won't be slowing me down. Oh yeah, they're getting bigger now. This is the cover that goes over it all. It looks like we got that done today. Very nice. On that.